Open loop op-amp configuration. The term open loop indicates that no feedback in any form is fed to the input from the output voltage. When connected in open loop, the op-amp function is very high gain amplifier. There are three types, that is differential, inverting and non-inverting. The above classified is made based on the number of inputs used and the terminal to the which input is applied. Open loop differential amplifier. In this configuration, inputs are applied of both inverting, which shows us like in the figure. Shown as like in the figure. So it amplifies the difference between the two input voltages. Figure shows the open loop differential amplifier configuration. So like this, listen the input voltage are represented by the V11 and V12. The source resistance RI1 and RI2 are negligible, small in comparison. Very high input resistance offered by the op-amp. Thus, the voltage drop across these source resistance is assumed to be zero, which gives an output of A into Vi1 minus Vi2, where A is large signal voltage gain, thus the output voltage is equal to the voltage gain A times difference between two input voltages. This reason in why configuration is called as an differential amplifier. In open loop configuration, the large scale voltage gain is called as an open loop gain. A virtual ground is grounded which acts like a ground. It may not have the physical connection to the ground. This property of an ideal op-amp indicates that the inverting and the non-inverting terminals of the op-amp are called the same potential. Non-inverting input is grounded for the inverting amplifier circuit. This means the inverting input of the op-amp is also at the ground potential. Therefore, a virtual ground is a point that is fixed ground potential, though it is not practically connected to the actual ground or a common terminal. So practical consideration: settings the input impedance are to be high will possess the problems of base. It is usually restricted 10 kilo ohm. The gain cannot be set very high due to the upper limit set by the FAME bandwidth product. The AV is normally below 100. The peak output voltage of an op-amp is limited by the power supply voltage, and it is about 2 voltage less than supply beyond the op-amp enters into the saturation. Op-amp, when short circuited protection is provided, a heavy load may drastically distort the output voltage. Thank you.